A few years ago, people used to work differently than they do now. You can search for jobs, make money, work from home, and have a lot of freedom when using the internet. PayPal makes sending and receiving money easy and safe for people and businesses. It is true whether you are a freelancer or a business owner, people are using this platform to make extra money more and more because it is a trusted platform that puts safety first. The platform provides you with the easiest ways to earn money in your leisure time. Here are 5 best ways to get free PayPal money instantly. Number 1. MyPoints. This is one of the best apps that will help you to get free PayPal money. They give you many options, such as shopping from your favorite store by phone, taking surveys, playing games, reading emails, and much more. You will even get a bonus for joining the MyPoints app. You will win point rewards when you complete your surveys. You can share your views with the leading brands such as Target, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, Groupon, eBay, Expedia, and many more, and can earn the coupons of these stores. You can redeem your points into gift cards whenever you need them. It takes 5 days for the money to appear in your PayPal account. It can be an excellent platform if you flip through your phone when you have free time, like on the way home from work. It can be a great way to put your time to good use and make a good amount of money. Number 2. Fiverr. This great platform has been around since 2010 and is a great place for freelancers to do business. People hire you to do almost anything you can think of on this independent website. There will be people on Fiverr who will pay you for your skills and knowledge in any field. You can get jobs or projects in many different areas, like proofreading, copywriting, being a virtual assistant, writing content, etc. And you can do all tasks in the comfort of your home. There are many more categories where you can find work, and there are almost infinite ways to get paid for your skills. You can offer more services and charge different amounts for each one. There are no minimum and maximum payments to receive. As more you work, you will be paid. The methods of payment are PayPal, Google Wallet, wire transfer, etc. Number 3. Google Opinion Rewards. This is a Google app that gives you a chance to fill out the survey and give your opinions, which vary from topics and questionnaires. You will earn for each survey you have filled out. The most important thing to focus on about this app is safety, which matters a lot. Every data you fill in is secured and is practiced according to the region, age, and use. The app promises not to share the data with a third party. The data you fill in is encrypted in transit. The earned reward is converted into paid-in wallet promo codes, Amazon online gift vouchers, and Flipkart online gift vouchers. Number 4. Swagbucks. It is one of the best money-earning apps. You can get paid to watch videos, surf the web, shop online, play games, and fill out surveys. For each action, such as signing up, confirming your email, or confirming your mobile number, you will be paid for it. All in all, Swagbucks is a quick and easy way to get cash through PayPal. It began in 2008, and since then, it has grown to have more than 20 million members and paid out more than 20,000 million in rewards, according to Indian rupees alone. It is applicable in many countries, including India. There are more than numerous ways to make money with them, and you can choose any of them based on your skills and preferences. Easy steps to follow are to take surveys and get rewards in terms of paid-in promo codes, Amazon online gift vouchers, and Flipkart online gift vouchers. You can cash whatever you earn through PayPal or by buying popular gift cards from places like Amazon, Starbucks, Target, Visa, and many more. Number 5. Towna. It is the most easy-to-use app. You will be notified with every new survey opening in which you have to share your personal opinion. The surveys will be related to your time spent, your daily activities, your hobbies, and many more. For each survey, you will be rewarded different points according to the length of the survey. Even on the sign into the app, email confirmation, filling in your different data, confirming your mobile number, etc. You will get rewards points for each and every activity. The earned points can be converted to vouchers for various popular shopping brands as per your choice, such as Shoppers Stop, Google Play, Pizza Hut, Amazon, Flipkart, Nike, Pay2Me gift card, and PayPal. So these were 5 best ways to get free PayPal money instantly. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.